Hey everyone, today I will show you how to take a screenshot on a Samsung Galaxy phone. So find the power button and the volume down button on your device. Press both buttons at the same time. You will see a quick flash on the screen confirming the screenshot was taken, and a preview will be at the bottom of the screen. But if you don't tap it in time, don't worry, you can always find the screenshot in the Gallery app. So if you want to edit a screenshot, firstly find it and tap on the pencil icon. And here you go, you can now edit your screenshot. Once you're done, swipe up to return to the home screen. And that's it. Now you know how to take a screenshot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.